talk about weather now. We have some red flag warnings in effect. Let's go to Amber Lee in the Weather Center. Amber, I know this is going to be a pretty intense night for the most part.
All right, Chris. Well, the red flag warnings and the wind advisories actually expire later tonight. But even though these expire, doesn't mean that we're actually going to see those winds die down. Those weak offshore winds will continue to stay with us as we head into the beginning part of this upcoming week. So here's a look at just how strong the winds got as we went into the early morning hours today. So Whittaker Peak, which is located up in the Angeles National Forest, clocked in with gusts up to 77 miles per hour. Crestline in the San Bernardino County Mountains, 58 miles per hour. Malibu, 54. Porter Ranch saw gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Devore near the Inland Empire at 42 miles per hour, and up in the mountains, Lake Arrowhead at 38 miles per hour. Because these gusty offshore winds dried out the atmosphere, we had low humidity levels. That's why we still have the red flag warnings. Our temperatures, you can see, went up. We are up by 10 degrees compared to normal, coming in at 88 degrees for downtown LA. Sun going down tonight at 6:13. This is what it still feels like. It is still very warm outside. We have 87 currently for Burbank, 80 for Camarillo, 83 for Riverside, 89 for Fullerton, and then near the airport right now in the upper 70s. Our futurecast shows that these offshore winds will continue to linger with us as we head into later this evening and then also into the rest of the night. But again, those advisories and warnings will expire, but those offshore winds continue, and we're still going to see very gusty conditions, but it's going to be under advisory levels. And during this time, we're still dealing with elevated fire danger, critical fire danger, even as we head into the rest of the week. And that's because we're expecting temperatures to stay above average. These weak offshore winds will continue to be part of our weather story, at least for the next week, because there is a chance that we could see a second round of Santa Ana winds moving in later on in the week. So this is what's happening right now. We have this high pressure system. This is what's pumping in the warm, dry, gusty air. But the high pressure system goes up just a tad as we head into the middle of the week, and that gives us a brief break from these offshore winds. But that brief break doesn't last very long, because on Thursday, high pressure starts to move back, and that means Santa Ana winds returning, and we could see elevated fire danger. We could potentially see some red flag warnings pop up, but right now it's still a few days away, so this is something that we are watching very closely. But take a look at our 7-day forecast. Tomorrow is going to be even hotter than today, 80s and 90s. Tuesday will actually be the warmest of the next 7 days. Take a look at our beaches. 87 on Tuesday, 93 for LA and Orange County Metro, 97 for the valleys. Again, Wednesday we get a bit of a break. We cool down just a tad, and then we're looking at those gusty Santa Ana winds picking back up again for Thursday and Friday. So the work week is going to be warm, dry, and gusty, and then we finally start to cool down, getting closer to normal as we head into this next weekend coming up. Back to you guys.
All right.